Did you know that each dog has a unique snout? Just as each and every human in the world has different fingerprints, each dog has also a different snout. So much so that the police have even managed to solve crimes taken place when the accused has been with its dog while committing the felony, and therefore the dog has left its snout print. Incredible, isn't it? And did you know that the first living thing sent to space was a dog? Rather, it was a bitch, a girl street dog called Laika. She was sent to space by the Russians in the spaceship Sputnik 2. Poor Laika died only hours after the rocket's takeoff. But yet, the experiment still could demonstrate that it is possible that living things would survive a trip to space. In 2008, Russia made a monument as a tribute to brave Laika, the first astronaut dog. Did you know that dogs have been living with people for more than 9,000 years? Recent investigations have discovered that the first dogs to be domesticated were in China. And since then, man has used them as companions, as hunting dogs, as herding dogs, as athletic dogs competing in races, or even as brave rescue dogs. The truth is, there's no doubt that the dogs have been man's most loyal friend for more than 9,000 years.